We have the boiled pepper that has been seasoned for the fish stew. So inside the boiled pepper, we have ginger, we have garlic, we have ukbe, we have ogiri. Ogiri is healthy, and the benefits are enormous. They are good for the clearance of the eye problem. They're also good for stomach problem, and it gives a better taste for the fish stew. I've also added palm oil, and I added small chicken knock maggi to give it taste. So I didn't add salt because salt is not healthy for anybody, because we already have salt inside the maggi knock. So now I have the seasoned croaker fish that I'm going to add to this boiled pepper. I've already seasoned the fish, cleaned the fish. I added small local spice to give it a better smell. And those local spices also have their own benefits. So I'm going to add the seasoned croaker fish now. After adding, you stir, then you allow to boil for the next 15 minutes. Once it's been fully boiled, you check to ensure that the fish is properly cooked. Then I'll be back.